Good morning, children. How are you all? So, today we will see the addition chapter. Okay, so take page number 71. Everybody takes page number 71. We'll go through additions. Okay, see here. Before that, I'll tell you what are the things you have to learn here. See, what is called addition? Okay, see, for example, the first row children in our class, first row, we have three students. Okay, we have three students in each row. In the second row, how many students are sitting? There are three students. So all together, so I'm asking you, so all together, how many students are sitting in these two rows? So 3 plus 3 is 6. So all together. So in the board, as soon as I come, what I do? I take attendance. After that, what I am doing? To the right corner of the board, blackboard, what am I writing? Number of present, number of absent, and total number of students. Okay, am I doing or not? So the total, I'm counting all together how many students are there in third standard. Okay, so total, the sum of, okay, the sum of. So these are the words used in term of addition. Okay, see, addition is very simple form. Okay, so you are counting, you are adding. See, your brother is having two chocolates and your sister is having two chocolates. So how many chocolates did your father bought? See, for brother he bought two and for your sister he bought two. So altogether how much daddy bought? So he bought 4 chocolates. Is that clear? So addition is adding 1, 2, 3, 4. Shall we move on to the sums? See here, take page number 67. So in this we are going to solve all the form of additions. Okay, so we are going to construct and estimate and solve the problems. Okay, so next we are moving on to how we are going to add. See, there is an easy way, easy method to add. See, page number 69, there is an example. Before that also, see, there is an example. Now you try get the answer, color that room. See here, 66 plus 10, that one you already know. See here, for example, 66 plus 10, you can easily count it as 76, but there is another way to count this. See, for example, I'll tell you, Nitish and Nirmala went to a fruit shop along with their mother. Okay, so mother bought pomegranate for 49 rupees and watermelon for 42 rupees. The shopkeeper told immediately the amount to be paid to him. So 49 means 40 plus 9, 42 means 40 plus 2. Therefore, if we add 49 and 42, we get 91. See, I just tell you one example. See here. See how much the amount of pomegranate? It is 49. How much is the watermelon? It is 42. So how can you do this? See, for example, 40 plus 9. I'm segregating it with ones and tens. See how many tens are there in 49? You have 4. How many ones? It is 9. So how many tens are there in 42? You have 4. How many ones are there? 2. See here, 40 plus 40 you get 80, and also you get, how much is 9 plus 2? 10, 11. 10, 11. So altogether how much it is? It is 91. Is that clear, children? See, you are separating the tens and ones. You are separating the tens and ones. So shall we move on to the next topic? See, turn the page 70. Take the page 70. See here, the same way they have given in two forms, 43 plus 35. The same thing, 40 plus 3 plus 30 plus 5. So they are separating that in tens and ones form. Okay, so shall we do this? Try yourself. 61 plus 16. How will you try it? See in this box, page number 17, page number 17. How do you do that? 60 plus 1. 60 plus 1. Next, 10 plus 6. See how much you should do here. 60 plus 1, and the next one is 10 plus 6. So altogether how much you will get? 70 plus 7. So altogether you get 77. Is that clear? 77. Shall we move on to the next one? 43 plus 34. How will you write 43 plus 34? You will write 40 plus 3. Next, 30 plus 4. So altogether how much? 70 plus 7, 77. Is that clear? So is this easy for you to add? Is it easy for you to add? So that's what we wanted. Shall we move on to the third digit, 3-digit numbers? See, in this 3-digit numbers, what you have to do, you're going to group everything. Now I told you for 2 digits, that is tens and ones. Now we are going to group ones, tens and hundreds. So we are moving on to 3-digit numbers. So what you have to do? First of all, you should add all the ones and then make it in a group of 10. Then what you should do? Then go to the second step. Then go to the tens. First you should add all the ones side, and then you should go to the tens side, and finally you have to go to the 100 side. Okay, so that's how you are going to add. This is very easy. You're going to do it. You're going to find it very, very easy. Shall we do one sum for this? See how much it is here. The number of frogs and hens. How much frogs and hens are there? How much frogs and hens are there? There are 146. So they have grouped. Okay, so number of frogs and hens are 146. Total number of rats are 46. Now altogether how much? Altogether how much? Now you are going to add. See, 146 plus 46. So how much it is? 6 plus 6 is 12. 1, 8, 9 and 1. See here, this is ones, this is tens, and last this one is hundreds. So what we are going to do is, see this we are adding in ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so we'll move on to the another next topic. Okay, so next one, the same way the bunches of bananas. In last year it was 264 and this year it is 123. So total how much it is? This 4 plus 3 it is 7 and 6 plus 2 is 8 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So altogether 387. It is altogether it is 387. Okay, now we are going to move on to the next topic. Okay, so here 8 we are estimating the number. See here, how many marbles are there? 328 plus 133. So what is the answer? 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. 1 carry 1. Okay, 2 plus 3, 5, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, so now we are going to solve the other sums. See, for example, see here what they have given. Roses in Ashoka's garden and roses in Nishita garden. Okay, 266 plus 314. So how much is the answer? 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7, 8. And 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, so next we are moving on to the train. Okay, see this, how many passengers are here? There are 116 passengers in compartment C1. How many are there? 116. In C3 how much it is? In C3 it is 130. So altogether how much it is? 6, 4, 1. Okay, so next one, the teacher has identified the talented students drawing, singers, artists, and they are asking how many singers. Okay, so see here, how many singers? First we will calculate the downways. Okay, so boys and girls all together, how many singers are there? How many singers? 112 plus 121. It is 233. It is 233. Okay. Next, how many artists are there? Both 284 and 248. 12. Carry 1. Again it is 12, 13. 1, 4, 5. 532. See here, now all together how many artists, singers and artists of boys? So what you should do? 112 plus 284. How much it is? 6, 9, 3. 396. How much girls? Girls are, see here, 121 plus 248. How much it is? 9, 6, 3. 369. So here what they are asking, total number of singers. They didn't ask you how many boys or how many girls. They are asking total numbers of singers. What is total number of singers? 233. Total number of artists? 300 and it's 300 532. 532. Total number of artists and girls. See what you have to do. 111 plus 24 is 396. Here next one is 369. So now all together we are going to add. See here, 396 plus 369. Total number of artists. 6 plus 9. How much? 15. 1. Carry on the top of 9. 1. Okay. 16. 10 plus 6. 16. 1. 6. 7. 700 and it is 700 and 65. Totally it is 769. Okay, shall we move on to the next page? The same way they are counting it. See, first they are writing the values. It is in the place values. So we have finished 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Now they are telling us to learn the tens values, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, so here how we are going to see, read straight. Always when you are writing 3-digit numbers, draw a column and write it in a single boxes. Okay, shall we move on to this basket? 253 plus 323, how much it is? It is 576. It is 576. They are counting it in single boxes, single units. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, like that they are adding. Now move on to the next page. We are going to expand and write it. Expand and write it. That's what I told you. In that box, 3 columns, ones, tens, 100. Ones means only one single digit number. Okay, below 10. What is in the 10th column? 10th column means it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What is it in the hundreds form? 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So like that they are asking us to expand and write. Okay, so now we are moving on to the step 1. See, 716. Shall we add this 716 plus 243. 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 4, 5. 7 plus 2, 9. Now add it in the unit form. How we are going to add it in the unit form? See, 900. So it is, see here, 900 plus 50 plus 9. Is that clear? Is that clear? Like that they are asking us to write. Okay, so finally we are getting the sum. Okay, finally we are getting the answer. Okay, 959. Okay, in that same way, shall we see the sums in page number 80? In page number 80 we will see this. Okay, so what is the sum of 404 plus 440? 404 plus 440. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So, how you should write? 800 plus 40 plus 4. Okay. So, it is 844. Next one is 435 plus 535. What is the answer? Calculate and tell me. 435. 435 plus 543. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. 4 plus 5, 9. 978. Shall we move on to the next one? Next is addition with borrowing. See here what we are going to write is, according to this we are going to write the place values, everything same, hundreds, tens, 1. But we are going to carry means extra one box you have to write on the top. Okay, it is not very difficult. It is very easy. You can do that. Okay, very simple form of addition. Okay, Is that clear, children? So no need to worry about that. Carrying is very, very simple form. Okay, simple form. Shall we move on to the page number 3 and 3.2 sum? Shall we do that? 3.2. See, 500 plus 301. What is the answer? 801. Okay, so shall we see this? 175 plus 201. What is the answer? Write it in the box. Never. See here, we have given 3 box. Last column you have to write the answer. So first 175. Here in this box, what you are going to write? 175 plus 201. What is the answer? 6, 13, 1, 4. 436. So you are going to write the answers. Find out the answers and write. Very, very simple form. You are going to finish it. What is 372 plus 627? 7 plus 2, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. So the answer is 999. So you are going to write 999. Okay. So complete this in the given column. Okay. Next, coming to page number 86. Here you are going to carry. You are going to carry the numbers. See, for example, shall we do the next sum? 411 plus 299. So what you are going to do? 1 plus 9, 10 plus 1. You are adding, carrying that ones, this to tens. You are carrying, you are adding 1 to another tens. So 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 1. Okay, again you are carrying it to the 100 forms. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 7. So the answer is 710. Okay, 710. So please follow the sums and write it. Okay, so this is complete this and finish it. Okay. So we are going to complete this all the sums. Okay. So 333 plus 553 is 888. Okay. 888. Like that you are going to complete this sums. Okay. Next, moving on to the next one, the last one. See here, 471, page number 87. In page number 87, see here, this is answer is 888. Okay, this is all you should do. Okay, the next one is here. Shall we do this sum? Any other sum? Okay, this sum we will do. 400 and okay, 1 minute. So what sum we are doing? We are doing the sixth sum. Okay, see here, 481 plus 888. Okay, so how you are, I told you to draw the column. Okay, so you are going to carry here. See, 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 1. See here, 8 plus 4 is 12 and it is 13. Is that clear? So like this you are going to carry the number. So next we'll see the following numbers. The same way you are going to add all the other numbers. Okay, 200 and plus 215. What is the answer? 425. Okay, here 425. Like this, add all the other answers. Now moving on to the next one, frame the problems. We are going to frame the problems. How are we are going to frame the problems? In page number 89, can you see this? 90 plus 65. See, the answer they have given, all the columns they have given 155, 155. See whether it is possible to frame different addition problems to get the same answer in all. See, there are different addition ways. Okay, so you can add it, but the answer will be the same. You can frame it. It is very, very easy. Shall I teach you that? See, for example, 90 plus, see for example, 90 plus 65 is 155. Next one, it is very easy for us to complete. See, I will just tell you. Next column you can write it. Here 90 plus 65. Next column you can write it is 80 plus 75. Whether the answer is 155? Yeah, the answer is 155. Like that you can reduce and add in your own way. 70 plus 85. See here on the top it is 90 plus 65. To the next number what you should do, you write it as 80. Second column you write is 70. Sixth column you write 60. Like that you add. Okay, 65, 75, 85, 95 below numbers you can write it and add it. 70 plus 85, 60 plus 95. Like that you add it. Okay, so this is very easy. Next numbers also you try in your own way. See 150 they have written, so next number what you will write? Say for example 140. On the top if you write 140, below what number you should write? Again you should write 140. 140 plus 140, 280. Next number what you will write? Here 130. Below what you will write? 130, and here 150. 130 plus 150 is 280. Like that you should write it. Complete it fast. Okay children, very easy. In 3.3 it is a match the following. Okay, add and see which one is 401. Which number is getting 401? Okay, so I think which answer is 401? Draw the line and see the answers and write it. Okay, next coming to the second one, framing the numbers. See here 499 can be written in two ways. See how they have written. 200 plus 299 is equal to 499. So the another way what they have written, 385 plus 114, 499. Okay, so now shall we move on to 88. How can you add this 88? See, 88 can be added by 44 plus 44. It is 88. One and another one. See here, 53 plus 35. It is 88. Okay, like that you can write 222. 222 also you can write it in the same way. How you can write it in the same way? Say for example, it is 111 plus 111 is 222. This is one form, and the another form 121 plus 101. You will get 222. Okay, so like this you are going to write. Next one, estimated numbers. Estimated numbers. How we are going to draw the estimated numbers? Say for example, if we are drawing 10 to 20, see what is the middle number? Can you see here? Can you see in the middle number? It is 15. So 15 is the middle number, and 10 to 14 is in the left side, and 16 to 20 is in the right side. So as in the number line, the number 11, 12, 13, 14, which is towards the left side of 15, are nearer to 10. Therefore 10's estimated value of 11, 12, 13, 14 is 10. The numbers 16, 17, 18, 19 are towards right side of 20 and nearer to 20. So therefore the estimated value of 16, 17, 18, 19 is 20. Okay, so what is the estimated value of middle number? It is 15. So the estimated value between any two tens is estimated to its next 10. Therefore, the estimated value of 15 is 20. Is that okay, children? Shall we move on to the next page and do it? Answer the following questions by observing number line. So, tens estimated value of 52. What is the estimated value of 52 is 50. 57 is 60. So, which is the middle number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is there. So 55 is the middle number. So what I told you, 55 is the middle number. From 54 to 51 it is, which is nearer? 50 is nearer. For 56 to 59, what is nearer number? 60. So that's how you are going to find out and answer the following. So when estimated numbers to the tens place, observe the number in units form. If the number in the units place is less than 5, estimate it to previous tens place. Okay, so when the number in the unit place is 5 or more than 5, estimate it to a next tens place. Okay, so you can do this. Okay, yeah, I think you will finish it fast. So now find out the estimated numbers for the following 62 and 23. What is the estimated number of 62? 60. What is the 23? 20. Okay, and then you are going to add. Okay, then you are going to add. How you are going to add? For example, 62 is 60 and 23 is 20. So add 60 plus 20. What is 60 plus 20? It is 80. So therefore the estimated sum of 62 and 23 is 80. Is that clear? Is it clear what I told you? 62, which is nearer number? It is 60. For 23, what is the nearer number? It is 20. So now you are going to add 60 plus 20. Okay, so now this is the estimated value of estimated sum for the 62 and 23 is 80. Okay, you are going to write the number 80. So find out and write the answer. Here this one is the match the following is very easy. You can do that. Okay, I think you can do it. So which is 42, which is nearer number? 40. For 46, what is the nearer number? 50. So 40 plus 50, 90. So it is marked there. 42 plus 46 is 90. Okay, shall we do the second sum? 31 plus 23, which is the nearer number? 30 plus 20. 30 plus 20, what it is? 50. So mark it in 50. So this one is 50. Okay, please do that. What you should do? 31 plus 23, it is 50. Next one, 19 plus 9. 19 is nearer 20. Okay, so 20 20 plus 1, 30. Very good. 25 plus 37, this is 30 and that is 40. 70. Next one, 25 plus 14, 25 is 30, 14 is 10. So 30 plus 10, 40. Next, 58 plus 24, 58 is 60, 60 plus 20, 60 plus 20, 80. Is that clear, children? Is that clear? Okay, so today we have seen the total number of additions. What are the ways of adding? So first we have completed with 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers, it is very easy. And then we have done the 3-digit number. In 3-digit number we have seen the unit form. We are grouping it, ones, tens, hundreds. So we are grouping it and adding. And the next one we have seen is carrying. Carrying is you are adding, and the remaining part you are adding it to the next group. Okay, if we are adding ones, see here 9 plus 1 means 10. You are writing 0 here and you are carrying that 1 to the tens place. Okay, you are carrying this 1 to the tens place and adding it. And the next one is we framed the addition forms and the estimated numbers. We have learned all these things. Please go through and study well. Thank you so much, children.